Security call, Algoma Buffalo departing BNSF dock Superior, backing out and turning towards the leak.
4, that is coming up. 234 north. Secured. Ladder secured, thank you. 1 foot forward. Coming back up. 2 forward. Let you know if it comes in.
35 on the quarter.
Closing a little bit there now. 30 at the shoulder. Widening again. 2 and wide. 3 on the shoulder. About another 300 back to the other bone. 3 on the shoulder. 250 to go back to the other bone. Valves clear to swing past the corner.
Roger, we're all good to response up 4. Thank you, Joe.
Yes, Tom, turn off the lift leads forward. Turning off the lift lead.
Algoma Buffalo to Cinnamon.
Algoma Buffalo to Cinnamon.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Cinnamon, Buffalo.
Yes, Ellie.
Ellie. Buffalo on 8, how are you?
Yes, good afternoon. You want to meet on one whistle? I'll push her over so I can line up the piers and get out of your way if you want to come over and we'll meet on one.
Okay, that's what you want to do, your best is pretty... You want to meet on port to port, one whistle? Yeah, you think you'll get over there that quick enough?
Yeah, I'll push her right up now.
Okay, no problem. There's no ice in there either, eh?
Perfect, thank you.
No problem.
Not the worst looking ship I've seen.
Really? Huh.
Oh, it's one of the lower towing ships. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm thinking this is a good contender.
Yeah, it is a fun time.
refreshing than the paint on the front.
Station 7 point the Buffalo, St. Registry.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Buffalo on 8.
Yeah,
Okay, so I'm whipping her right around the starboard for you, okay? That's what you want?
yeah, that's great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, there, Algoma Buffalo. Have a safe trip.